The International Women's Day celebration under the theme Invest in Women, Accelerate and Progress was held in various parts of the state. In Shillong, as part of the celebration, the State Hub for the Empowerment of Women under the Social Welfare Department felicitated women who have made outstanding achievement and services to women, growth and empowerment. In Jawai, an awareness program for SWGH group leaders from Meetmintru village was held at Rajsilia Community Hall. The awareness program covered various topics related to women's health, schemes and services for women, the Domestic Violence Act of 2005 and women's law and schemes under the district hub. Expert resource persons led the discussion. In Betasing CNRD block in southwest Garo Hills, the event emphasized on importance of empowering women for overall progress. In Chokpok CNRD block in South Garo Hills, the event underscored the vital role of investing in women's empowerment as a catalyst for progress, echoing the community's commitment to gender equality and inclusive development.
Women, even if they are not childbearers, face some of the biggest health hazards because of the fact that they are women and that their work has been a big challenge, and hence women health is important for this government. We are grateful that the Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Cabinet has deemed it fit that this department is headed by a woman.
As